smells so good. Hey my beautiful family, welcome back to another video. If you're new to my channel or this is your very first time you're joining my channel, you are highly welcome. My name is Wendy. In this channel I create content on lifestyle, fashion, family, food, and some other interesting and amazing content that might come your way. So please consider clicking on that red subscribe button to join my amazing family, and give this video a thumbs up. Comment down below, let me know what you think about this video. For my returning subscribers, as in my old G's, you guys are awesome. Thank you for clicking and watching on today's video. Yeah, and guys, please, if you're not following me on Instagram, because I'm going to be posting most of my pictures right there and you don't want to miss them, okay? If you're not following me on Instagram, please do well follow me on Instagram. I'm going to leave my Instagram page somewhere here or there. Yeah, definitely you will see it. And my Instagram is chi_loves. Yeah, so please, let's go and build up that, that community. It is to grow up. Yeah, so guys, today's video is all about, I have so many things. Like seriously, I have the best family ever and I have the best friends ever. Yeah, I'm using this opportunity to thank each and every one of you that wished me happy birthday, for those that sent me some gifts, so those that called me using my pictures on their DMs, on their Instagram pages. Like seriously, the love was amazing. As in, the love was choking. It choked. Yeah. Thank you so much, guys. I honestly appreciate you guys. So for my friends that came, yeah, even some that did not come, they gave me some gifts, guys. I received some bunch of gifts, like things I wasn't even expecting. Yeah, and also some gave me some gift card. Some people called me and they told me that their own gifts are still on the way coming, which I know very soon I'm going to be receiving all of them. So I'm here today to show you guys all the stuffs that I got on my birthday, which are so incredible. I love them all. Like seriously, I love them. And I want to use this opportunity to say a big thank you to my husband, as in he's awesome. When I mean he's awesome. Yeah, he pulled up that birthday that you guys saw, together with my friends. I am using this media to say thank you, sweetheart. Thank you, my love. I love you so much. Thank you for all the gifts. Thank you for all the care and all that. Yeah, it's so overwhelming. So let's dive right into this video. So the very first thing that I got, I have here is this bag. And guys, look at that. So this bag, and what is inside this bag, this gift was actually given to me by a very good friend and also a family friend. Yeah, this is from Ada and John Ojuku. Yeah, so this is the card they put inside it. Very lovely words. I love it, girl. Thank you so much. And inside this bag comes with another gift. Guys, look at that. Look at that. So they gave me this set of Valentino perfume sets. Yeah, so this is the set. I'm going to open it and show you guys. So this is how the set is. Can you see that? I love this gift so much. Ada, thank you so much. You and your husband and your family. I use this opportunity to say a big thank you. I honestly appreciate it. Yeah. So guys, moving forward, the next awesome gift that I got is this one here. Yeah. This is the bag that the gift came with, and in here, let's see what we have here. So guys, look at that. Wow, guys, see what I have here. I have this 9 West bag, and this gift actually came from my friend. You guys have watched video that I did with her, Yvonne. Yeah, this is the bag she gave me. I've not gotten any bag. I don't have any bag in this shade. Yeah, I can't remember. Do I can't remember, but I think I don't have any bag in this shade. And I love this bag so much. It's so portable, so cute. As in, when I mean so cute, I love it, girlfriend. Yeah, I love the bag. And another thing that came with this bag is this beautiful purse. Guys, can you see that? This is also 9 West purse. I told you guys of late that I'm becoming so in love with yellow. And look at that. And imagine what I'm wearing. It's also yellow. And is it not looking good on your girl? I know it's looking good on me. Yeah, so I have this purse from my friend also. And I'm saying a big thank you to Yvonne and your family. I honestly appreciate this wonderful gift that you gave me. Yeah, so moving forward, guys, I have another gift right here. And this gift came in this bag. Can you guys see that? So, and inside here we have, okay, I'm going to tell you guys who gave me this gift first. So this gift came with this card, and inside it you have it like this, and it was given to me from Remy and BC. Thank you so much, Remy and BC. I sincerely appreciate your coming and also giving me this amazing gift. And in here I have this. Guys, look at that. You guys know that we already about to enter into winter. We are already in fall. Very soon we'll enter into winter. And this is a hand glove. Like, seriously, I love this hand glove. You know the reason why I love this hand glove? I can actually wear this hand glove and also operate my phone. So I don't need to remove my hand glove and say I want to press my phone. So I love this gift. It's so dear to me. Thank you so much, Remy and your wife. And also they gave me this perfume. I think this is a body spray. Yes, this is a body spray from Bath and Body. Yeah, from Bath and Body. So I love this as well. Then another thing that came with this bag is also this. I don't know what this is all about. I don't know if this is a perfume, but I would definitely open it and see what is inside. And this is called the Delicious. I have no, oh, it's a perfume spray. The Delicious. Yeah, so that is that. Thank you so much, Remy and your wife. I honestly appreciate the gift. So guys, moving ahead, I have this huge bag here. I don't know if you guys can see everything in here. So I have this huge bag, and I'm going to show you guys everything that came from this bag. This bag, actually, this gift was given to me by my friend Helene. I don't know, I've not shot any video with her, but soon you guys are going to see most of her face in my channel. Yeah, so Helene gifted me this gift, and in here I have this. Wow, like seriously, I love this. So this is a sweater. Yeah, I love this. This is a sweater, and you guys know that we already in fall, so this is the time. This is gonna go a very good way, a long way for me, and I love the color. She knows now, you know, I am a red person, so that's why she got me this color. That is why she got me this color, and I love it. Yeah, girl, thank you so much. I love the sweater. It looks so good, so bright, and all that. And again, one more thing that came with this bag is this. Like, seriously, girl, you can be so romantic. Guys, guess what we have here? So guys, I have this. Smells so good. This is candle, guys. Imagine, this is candle. Thank you so much, girl. You need to smell this, as in you need to smell how sweet this smells, as if I should just be licking it. I love this so much. I'm gonna be using it in my room. Yeah, this is, yeah. So guys, another gift that I have here is this. Wow. Yes, let's take thumbnail. So guys, I have this gift, and this came from my very good friend and also a family friend as well. So this gift was gifted to me by Adeline and her family. Guys, you need to see what is in here. Guys, you need to see what I have in here. Like, this is choco, this is mado. So guys, I'm going to show you guys everything I have here. This is a purse. Yeah, it's a purse. It's not like, it's a purse, and I love this. I've not gotten, okay, I have a shoe in this shade, but you guys know, like, seriously, I love it. And I love the design. I love the brand. Yes, I love the brand. Yeah, so the bag looks so beautiful. I love it. And I have a shoe for it that I will definitely be wearing it with. Thank you so much, girl. I love the gift and I appreciate. Yeah, thank you to you and your family. The very next gift I have here, guys, I am not going to tell you guys who gave me that gift, but if you can reason very well, as in if you can reason very well, you will be able to know where the gift is coming from. And I sincerely appreciate. I love the gift. So here comes the gift. So guys, I have in here this. Yeah. So this is my gift that I received and I love it. I am using this opportunity to say thank you. You that is watching this video. If you watch the video, you know yourself. I am very grateful. I appreciate you. Thank you for all you do. Thank you for all you've been doing, and thank you for all you are going to be doing. Yeah, I sincerely appreciate you. So guys, the very next thing that I have here is actually edible. Yes, when I mean it's edible, this gift came from Toyin. Yes, Toyin and her husband. They gave me chocolate, and funny enough, I've eaten part of it, but this is the one that is ready. They gave me this chocolate, and this is a Swiss classic milk chocolate. Yes, and also this one. This is also a chocolate. Guys, can you see that? As if they knew that I love chocolate so much. Yeah. And I love this. Thank you so much, Toyin and your husband. I sincerely appreciate you all. So guys, these are all the gifts that I got. I have a gift card which is already on its way coming, and also I have some gifts that some friends told me they are going to be sending to me. Yeah, whether you sent gift or you did not send gift, for the fact that you celebrated me, you remembered me, and you are happy for me for adding another beautiful year, I sincerely appreciate you all. Thank you so much. Thank you to my subscribers for your birthday wishes. Thank you for all that you did for me. I honestly appreciate each and every one of you. And if you've watched this video till this moment, you've not subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing, like this video, comment, and also share with your friends and family. And I will definitely be there at the comment box below to chat and interact with you guys. And guys, please, if you're not following me on Instagram, because I'm going to be posting most of my pictures right there and you don't want to miss them, okay? If you're not following me on Instagram, please do well, follow me on Instagram. I'm going to leave my Instagram page somewhere here or there. Yeah, definitely you will see it. And my Instagram is chi_loves. Yeah, so please, let's go and build up that, you know, that community. It needs to grow up. Yeah. Okay guys, that is the end of today's video. See you guys in my next video. I love you all. Bye.